I'd like to thank Sosna for the bathroom renovations at my home. Before it was really small. Not to say this is huge, but this is quite a bit larger than what it was. We were able to expand into part of the walk-in closet in order to be able to put a steam shower. As you can see, it's a very spacious steam shower in order not only relaxation, but also for clearing the air passages and breathing. So this all is part of the renovation with a little bit of redo on the walk-in closet. So here in the secondary washroom, all we did was do a refresh. We retiled the floor, new toilet, we had new tub, new surround with a tub and with a rain shower. And we also improved the vanity in order for two of our kids to be able to utilize and share. By turning it on, we can change the levels of the color. And with the press of this button, we'll allow the mirror to warm up a little bit so it doesn't fog up. And when you turn it off, the fog element will still be there in case you don't need the extra light. Right from the start, searching online and asking around in terms of who's the best contractor in GTA, Sosna's name came up. But what really ticked that box was the amount of video tutorials. Not just references and comments, but the actual video testimonials. That's what really drove us to Sosna. And with that meeting with Andre and with Jolene, it was incredible. I mean, they were both forthcoming. They were very interested, listened to what our needs were, what our wants were. And from there, it was sort of an interview between us and them and us. The kicker that really made me decide to go with Sosna was the fact that they said right off the bat we needed building permits. So we signed the agreement and off we went with Camila. Camila, the designer, has been incredible from start to finish. Maximizing our budget to get what we wanted. So hats off to the design team. Sosna's design team is second to none. And then from the construction perspective, Dimitri and his crew coming in here, absolutely amazing work. The transparency of what they were doing, how they were doing it was incredible and something I've never experienced before in a couple previous renovations. We take a look in terms of their quality of work, their detail, from the tiles, from the woodworking, and the fact that each and every single day this job site was completely clean. It was absolutely incredible. We were living in the home while the construction was happening. And I got to tell you, the amount of dust, if there was any, was down to minimal. The whole crew were very quick to respond and transparent. And that's exactly what you want in a renovation. And I can't thank Sosna enough. Thank you.